Blake Lively is attempting to drop claims that Justin Baldoni caused her emotional distress while working on their 2024 blockbuster It Ends With Us. Court documents obtained by Page 6 on Monday revealed that the Gossip Girl, Alum, requested to withdraw claims that she suffered from intentional infliction of emotional distress and negligent infliction of emotional distress as a result of Baldoni's alleged misconduct. Lively's filing came after the Jane the Virgin star's legal team requested she sign a release form for them to access her medical and mental health records. Baldoni's legal team argued the records were vital to the actress's emotional distress, allegations cited in her December 2024 lawsuit. Instead of complying with the medical RFP, Ms. Lively's counsel recently advised us in writing that Ms. Lively is withdrawing her infliction of emotional distress claims. Baldoni's team responded in a filing viewed by Page 6. The court will determine if Lively's request will be approved. Attorneys for the Another Simple Favor Star told Page 6 via a statement that her request was a routine part of the litigation process that is being used as a press stunt. We are doing what trial lawyers do, preparing our case for trial by streamlining and focusing it, they said, adding that Baldoni's team was desperately seeking media attention. The Baldoni Wayfarer strategy of filing retaliatory claims has exposed them to expansive new damages claims under California law, rendering certain of Ms. Lively's original claims no longer necessary, the statement continued. Ms. Lively continues to allege emotional distress as part of numerous other claims in her lawsuit, such as sexual harassment and retaliation, and massive additional compensatory damages on all of her claims. Justin Baldoni at the It Ends With Us world premiere. 8. The Jane the Virgin star's lawyers claimed the records were imperative to prove Lively's emotional distress allegations. Eric Penzich / Shutterstock Lively, 37, accused Baldoni, 41, of inflicting upon her severe emotional distress and pain, humiliation, embarrassment, belittlement, frustration, and mental anguish in her bombshell sexual harassment lawsuit. According to the filing, a hands-on meeting had to be held with Lively, Baldoni, and the movie's production team to discuss his alleged behavior, including how he allegedly showed her nude videos or images of women, and discussed his past addition to porn. She accused Baldoni of launching a smear campaign to destroy her reputation as a result of reporting the alleged sexual harassment. Lively later claimed her and Ryan Reynolds' children James, 10, Inez, 8, Betty, 5, and Alan, 2, were also traumatized by the ongoing drama. At the time, the 5 feet apart, producer's lawyer Brian Friedman slammed the shameful and false accusations. These claims are completely false, outrageous, and intentionally salacious with an intent to publicly hurt and rehash a narrative in the media, he told Page 6. Baldoni filed his own $400 million lawsuit against Lively and Reynolds in January. In the docs, he accused Lively of using Reynolds and her bestie Taylor Swift's influence to get her way. Baldoni also addressed speaking to Lively about his past porn addiction, saying he only mentioned it after she allegedly offered up her own experience. He also claimed Lively was so close and comfortable with him and would freely breastfed in front of him during meetings. Baldoni also accused Reynolds, 48, of becoming aggressive at the hands on a meeting and insisted that he apologize for things he had not done to Lively. The stakes are undeniably high, not just for Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni, but for the broader entertainment industry. This case serves as a reminder that even the most glamorous collaborations can turn contentious, and that behind the scenes of Hollywood's glittering facade, fierce battles over power, money, and creative control are constantly being waged. As we await further developments, one question looms large. Will this shocking legal move bring Blake Lively the resolution she seeks, or will it ignite an even fiercer battle? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain, this is far from over.